So this part went really well, better than I thought it would actually. I mean, it seems very strong. It was a little tricky. I had to make sure I didn't hit the other screws. Um, did some sanding on the aluminum to get it to fit pretty good. And it's good and solid. So it's not something I really, intend to use much. I know it's more of a safety thing. But I don't necessarily click it on and off hardly at all. One by accident. So we're good on that. So the next thing, I'm going to remove this spring here. This is underneath the saw. Remove that, straighten that out the best I can, put it back in, and then clean this and cut some aluminum for here. And it seemed to work pretty good on the other saw. I'll probably do 2 layers, 2 or 3. I don't remember what I did on the other one. And that should take care of that. So going to do that next, and then examine the saw for what else needs to happen. Okay, looking good. This is the Olympik. I think it's a 940 Olympik. So it's a small saw. Got a little damage right here. Probably not going to be able to do anything about that, but that's minor. Otherwise, clean it up, and I think there's a slight oil leak here too. I'm going to have to examine that and see if I can do anything with that. But first, take care of this. Right now I need to, we're going to go to Lewistown, so I need to do a bunch of the molding, put the edging on it, because we have one more window. I'm hoping it's nice enough that I can do that. So I'll probably use this stuff right here. That should be enough to go around the window. Okay, let's put the saw away for now and get the molding ready.